Hi, my name is Ashley Thomas from the Bayshore Bright Waters Public Library. For those of you who don't know, I'm an adult slash teen slash children's librarian, and I'm here to show you how to make a high vitamin C smoothie. We're gonna start with pineapples first because they're pretty high in vitamin C. This is pretty much an alternative way to take your vitamin C. Like I know, like there are pills, but they don't taste as well. So this is a more delicious way of doing it. Next, I put in mango. Mango is also a fruit that is also high in vitamin C as well, but I only put a few in there mainly because I'm not a big fan of mango, but for those of you who want to, you can put as much mango as you want. Also, if you notice, I am using frozen fruit, mainly because frozen fruit is easier to blend than fresh fruit, but if you want to blend fresh fruit, you can go ahead, but it might take a little while longer to make sure it's completely blended together. Next, I put strawberries in because they're also a good source of vitamin C as well. So far what I put is pineapples, mangoes, and strawberries. Mind you, you don't have to use these fruit. There are other fruits or vegetables that you can use for high vitamin C, like for example, avocados, oranges, carrots, however you want. Finally, I put in bananas. Bananas aren't high in vitamin C, however, they're high in potassium and they promote muscle health. Not only that, it gives the smoothie a creamy texture and it's also a natural sugar, so you don't have to put extra sugar in your smoothies to give it flavor. Finally, I put almond milk in it and then you can start to blend. If you are using milk, I highly suggest that you use plant-based milk because in case you are using different fruits like oranges, tangerines, anything citrusy, dairy and citrus does not mix well together. It's better to use plant-based milk. And if you do not like milk, you can also use 100% juice or water, however you want to do it, just a little treat. I hope you guys have a good and safe day and stay healthy.